I did not want to save him, but I was assigned as his therapist. As I enter his room, he makes a face as if I have already ruined his day. The real danger is not his injury, it's my heart falling for him. My name is Lena Reed. I am a physical therapist. It's my job to make people stand again. Most days, I love my work, but today, I hate it because the man waiting for me in the private room is Evan Wolf, the most famous architect in the city, the man who built towers higher than his ego. And now, after a climbing accident, he cannot stand on his own legs. People said he was impossible. They were right. When I enter the room, he does not look at me. He just stares at the window. Good morning, Mr. Wolf. Nothing. We begin today, remember? He turns his head slowly. His eyes are cold steel. I said no therapy, he says. His voice is sharp. Leave. I keep my voice calm. Your assistant signed the contract. You need help walking again. I don't need your pity, he says. He pushes the wheelchair forward, trying to look strong. It's not pity, I say. It's work. Then he laughs, a hard, bitter laugh. You think you can fix me? He looks at me like I'm a challenge. Maybe I am. No, I say. I think you can fix you. I'm just the guide. He studies me. His jaw tightens. Fine, he says. 1 hour. After that, get out. He doesn't know it yet, but 1 hour is enough for me to understand him. Chapter 2. I set up the parallel bars. He watches, arms still crossed. I don't do this, he says. You do, I answer, stepping close. He glares, jaw tight. He tries to stand. His arms shake. I place my hands lightly on his waist, just enough to support him. Stop gripping me, he mutters. You're gripping yourself, I reply. Relax, let me guide you. His hand brushes mine accidentally. He freezes. I hold my position, not flinching, not moving, just holding space. When I leave, I know he will try again, alone, because he hates losing. Chapter 3. Some days his frustration explodes. You enjoy touching me, he says, his voice low. I raise an eyebrow. Only when it's part of the job. He smirks. People pay for this. I step closer, calm, holding the weights. I get paid hourly. A dangerous smile spreads. His gaze lingers. He leans forward slightly, just enough to break the boundary. The room feels smaller. Chapter 4. Later he tries standing again. His legs shake violently. I step forward, hands ready but not pushing. Look at me, not the floor. His eyes meet mine. The room disappears for a moment. His knee buckles. I catch him. One arm around his back, one at his hip. His weight presses into me, warm and heavy. I hate this weakness, he mutters. You're not weak, I reply. You're fighting. That's strength. For a heartbeat, he stays there. Not because he cannot move, but because he needs a moment to breathe. Then he pulls away abruptly, chest rising fast, face flushed. Again, he says, his voice is fire. That night he trains alone. He manages 2 steps, only 2, but it's progress. Chapter 5. The psychiatrist arrives, even scuffs and sends him out. You want results without healing, I tell him. I want my life back, he snarls. Your life starts here, I say, not before the accident. He glares, silent, stretching. I know this is his ball. I don't touch it. I just stand my ground. Chapter 6. Next morning, I push him, literally. I'm not going anywhere, he says. You are, I reply. I take him to a rehabilitation center for disabled people. Children paint with their toes. A woman types with her feet. A boy in a wheelchair grins at even. He is silent. He cannot speak. They will never walk, I whisper. But you can. You brought me here to humiliate me? No, I say. I brought you here to awaken you. When the boy hugs him, I see the wall inside him crack. For the first time, he wants to fight. Chapter 7. Back in the therapy room, he trains harder than ever. His arms shake, sweat drips, he loses balance. I catch him, hands firm on his chest and shoulder. Our faces are inches apart. His breath is hot, his jaw tight. He doesn't pull back. You're stronger than fear, I whisper. Stay close, he says. I stay until you stand alone, I reply. The line is fire and boundary. His eyes darken, unreadable. I don't flinch. He finally lets go, slowly, reluctantly. That night I hear him pacing. He practices alone. He stands for 4 seconds. Chapter 8. After the rehab visit, he changes. His frustration becomes fire. During training, he collapses. I slide down with him, catching him. We sit side by side, breathing hard. My fingers brush his arm longer than needed. He does not move. If I ever walk fully again, he whispers, I want you there. I will, I say. Not a confession, a promise. Chapter 9. Weeks pass. He stands alone. His body remembers movement, but his pride grows stronger. One evening, he walks between bars, steady. I cannot stop smiling. You did it, I whisper. No, we did it. He replies. His eyes hold mine. This time, no walls. Chapter 10. After the celebration, we meet in the garden. I want you to want me, he admits. I catch my breath. He steps closer, slow. I don't stop him. When our lips meet, it is fire, pain, hope, all mixed. Not playful, not forced, earned. His hands hold the back of my neck. I grip his shirt, heart racing. When we break, his forehead rests on mine. Thank you, he whispers. No, I answer. Thank you for trusting me. Chapter 11. 6 months later, Evan walks into the rehab center alone. The boy with the paintbrush runs to him. Evan kneels, gives him new colors. I stand beside him. His hand finds mine. We walk forward, step by step together.